Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio installed on your computer. Locate the SQL Server Management Studio icon on your desktop or in your Applications menu. Double-click the icon to launch the application. Once the application opens, you will see the Connect to Server dialog box. In this box, you'll need to enter the server name. If you are connecting to a local instance, you can type localhost or dot in the server name field. If you are connecting to a remote server, enter the server's IP address or domain name. Next, select the authentication method. You can choose either Windows Authentication or SQL Server Authentication. If you select Windows Authentication, your current Windows credentials will be used. If you choose SQL Server Authentication, enter your username and password in the respective fields. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click the Connect button. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into SQL Server Management Studio. You will then see the Object Explorer on the left side of the window. This area allows you to navigate through different databases and server objects. If you encounter any errors while logging in, double-check your server name and authentication details. For further help, consult the official Microsoft documentation or your network administrator. Now you are ready to start managing your SQL Server databases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.